Step into a world of whimsy and wonder with the GIF animated ephemera Photoshop action, the ultimate tool for adding enchanting ephemeral effects to your digital artwork and photography. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, the GIF animated ephemera Photoshop action empowers artists, designers, and photographers to create mesmerizing animations with just a few clicks. Ephemeral effects. The GIF animated ephemera Photoshop action adds ephemeral elements to your images, such as falling leaves, floating petals, or drifting clouds. These effects infuse your artwork and photos with a sense of magic and whimsy, transporting the viewer to a world of imagination and fantasy. Customization options. Tailor the ephemeral effects to your specific needs with customizable settings that allow you to control every aspect of the animation. Adjust parameters such as speed, direction, and density to achieve the perfect look for your artwork. Easy-to-use interface. The GIF animated ephemera Photoshop action features an easy-to-use interface that makes creating animations quick and effortless. With a user-friendly layout and straightforward controls, users of all skill levels can quickly master the action and create professional quality animations in minutes. Whether you're a digital artist, graphic designer, or photographer, the GIF animated ephemera Photoshop action provides you with the tools you need to add a touch of enchantment to your artwork and photography. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with the GIF animated ephemera Photoshop action is smooth and hassle-free. Ready to add a touch of magic to your artwork and photography? Visit the GIF animated ephemera Photoshop action page today and discover the power of ephemeral effects with the GIF animated ephemera Photoshop action.